In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a tweet. Now, big disclaimer, this is how to schedule a tweet on the website, on the desktop version. It doesn't matter whether it's Apple or Windows, it's the desktop version. It's not the mobile phone version. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. This is how to do it on the website. I will create a separate video on how to do it on a mobile phone. But for the website, you might as well watch me anyway. Click on tweet, type in what you want. So, hello everyone. And then click on this button here, okay? And it says, if I hover over it, it says schedule. So pick when you want to schedule it for. It generally does it about a week in advance, so let's do it for then. Pick the year, pick the time, so do it then. And then click confirm. What you now need to do, and it's very easy to forget this bit, what you now need to do is actually click schedule. And there you go, it's been scheduled. But how do you find that scheduled tweet? Well, the way to find it is, again, click on tweet, go to drafts, scheduled, and then it's sat there. You see it? All right, that's the one I just did. Hello everyone. You want to make a change to it? Click on it. You can make a change to it, do whatever you want with it. And if you do make a change, click on schedule, otherwise it will stay as it was. And if you want to delete it, so you actually want to remove that tweet or any of the other ones, click on edit, click the one that you want, or tick the box, or check the box, and then click on delete. Are you sure you want to do it? Yeah, I'm sure. There you go, click done. So once again, to do that, it was to actually schedule a tweet, it's tweet, click on schedule, type the thing in, and then click on schedule again. And then to see the ones that are scheduled, it was drafts, scheduled, these are the ones that are done. You can edit them by clicking on them, or you can delete them by clicking edit and then ticking the one that you want and clicking delete. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming up with more videos. There will be a video of how to do this on a mobile phone as well.